Welcome to Cat Hill Trophy Elk and Cattle Ranch, a legendary 3,200-acre ranch with ownership that dates back to the late 1800s. This renowned parcel features 5 water wells, electrical power, a barndominium, landowner big game tags, as well as an additional 1,280-acre state grazing lease. Located in Unit 12 in the heart of Catron County, New Mexico, renowned for producing world-class trophy elk, including a state record 440 Class bull in recent years. The property is nestled between the towns of Camado and Pie Town, New Mexico. It is about 2.5 hours to Albuquerque International Airport and 4.5 hours to Phoenix, Arizona. There are 6 annual elk tags, consisting of 3 mature bull rifle tags, 2 cow tags, and 1 either sex archery tag, with antelope and mule deer being over the counter. An upland enthusiast can pull a limit of doves off one of the 5 water tanks. With 3,200 deeded acres and the 1,280-acre state grazing lease, there is nearly 4,400 continuous acres for one to stack miles on their Polaris or other UTVs. Water is an indispensable resource in this region, and Cat Hill features 5 producing water wells with powered submersibles pumps, windmills, and solar. Most landowners actually have the most fun and receive the most enjoyment by managing their holdings, setting trail cams, checking water, or watching your cattle put on a couple of pounds per day. With a historic average carrying capacity of 50 to 70 animal units, Cat Hill Ranch can also provide additional cattle income. This ranch is an incredibly well-watered property, securing value for long-term game, cattle, and land management. An existing 40 by 80 barndominium with power, plumbing, and water is perfectly set up for RVs and travel trailer. The property is nestled between the towns of Camado and Pie Town, New Mexico. It is about 2.5 hours to Albuquerque International Airport and 4.5 hours to Phoenix, Arizona. With big game tag prices and hunts going through the roof and land prices continuing to escalate, it is an excellent time to acquire a legacy family ranch. For your own private qualified showing, please contact Greg Little